Hi everyone, my name is Kirby Piazza. You can call me Kirby. I live in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I've lived here my entire life. I went to college near Pittsburgh and then came right back and started working post grad. Um, I started out working in the mental health field right after college. I started as a TSS, and then I did that for about 2 years. And then I was able to move into family based therapy, and I worked in that for about 2 years as well. My current position is working for a behavioral health company as a case manager for a children's therapeutic after school program. So I do a lot more behind the scenes case management work, doing intakes, discharges, and doing referrals within the program. Um, like I said, I live in Lancaster. I have two rescue puppies. As you can see, they're hanging out with me right now. I live here with my husband and our almost 6 month old baby girl. So life's a little crazy right now with a new baby and just working full time and then adding school on. So that is definitely one of the things I'm worried about is time management with all of the stuff that's going on in my life. But I am very excited to have the opportunity to start my MSW program. I'm really excited to meet everyone in the class and see what the program has to offer me. I want to continue working potentially with children, maybe in other settings outside of the mental health realm, maybe moving more into school-based work or within hospital setting. So that is me. I'm really excited and thank you so much.